What's up, everybody? How you doing? And this is Gary Science. So for today's lesson, today's video, I just want to talk about how to control the thoughts of your mind. Okay, that is just what I want to talk about because for you to be happy, for you to love life, you somehow need to or either understand your thoughts and what they are, and you also need to be able to control them if you can. So there are some practices right now that you can adopt that can help you control the thoughts of your mind. Like I always say, the mind is the brain at work according to neuroscience. Okay, and nerves, neurons are the biological wires of your body. Combination of neurons constitute nerve. A bunch of neurons, you can call them nerve. Okay, and so that is just what you should know, and that is just it. So there are different things you should know about the neurons of your brain. Neurons of your brain are just like cells that are in your brain. Okay, and those things are different in shape from normal cells of your body, and but have basic same function as other ones in your body. And the cells of your brain, let's call them neurons, they are just like wires. They are called the biological wires of your body. Okay, just like you can connect wire for wire A to connect to wire B, there must be attachment, right? Red goes with red, black goes with black. That's just how neurons are in the brain of humans. Okay. Now, in the brain of humans, there exists this thing called neurons. Okay, these are cells, right? And they connect the basic unit, the basic functioning unit, or the basic unit of the nervous system is called a nerve. It's called a neuron. Okay, you can call it nerve if you want to. So now, just like you connect wire A to wire B, that's how neurons to connect in your brain. Okay, they also have like a projection of just like wires you have, just like the red and black. They also have a projection, okay, that helps to connect. Okay, too, you can call it axon. And neurons axon give rise to and the so-called the knob synaptic gap that has been created. And but take note, neurons don't connect like this together. There's a space between them. They call it synaptic gap. Okay, and yeah, it's usually in micrometers, which is very small, very tiny gap. There's usually a gap. They don't connect like this, just like your wires. Your wires connect have needs to have a physical contact before anything can occur. But in this case of neurons, there is no physical contact like this. There's usually a gap created. Okay, so that is all you need to know. So those like scientists are saying that your thoughts come from some microtubules in your brain, which are also microtubules in these neurons of a thing. But so that is what you should understand. Your thoughts come from your neurons. Okay, neurons, which is cells of your brain, basic unit of the nervous system, right? And you can call it nervous or fast system. Okay, so basic unit of it, which is the smallest unit of it, is called the neurons. Okay, so understand that the basic unit or the smallest unit of human's body is called a cell, right? So those cells are what add up to form the full human. You see, they add up in the same ways, perform a similar function, you call it tissue. They add up in the same ways, perform a similar function, you call it organ. Like that is just how it is. But all boils down to one thing, okay, which is cell. That is where life started from. That's just how this neuron is. Never started from neuron, one neuron. Okay, so the basic unit of nervous system is called a neuron. Okay, so understand that. So now, how to control the thoughts of your mind? You understand that these thoughts you see come from cells of your brain. Okay, so now how do you control it right now? Because this is something that you can't see. Okay, but that you can't see it means it doesn't exist. Okay, and that it also we can say because we don't see it, we can call it illusion. Okay, to some extent, but we don't really know yet. There's no real proof that the thoughts of humans are real. But you should understand that your thoughts are usually like options in your head. Until you select anyone, it is not yours. For instance, if you have different thoughts in your head, those thoughts you are having are not yours. You are not those thoughts, except you choose it to be your own and to act upon it. Okay, so consider your thoughts always as options. Options given to you, just like you go for an exam, they give you options. What is this? Okay, what is a equimolar solution? A, it is this. B, it is this. Those are just how your thoughts are. Take note, what is equimolar solution? They are going to give you one correct one from the options. The rest ones will be wrong. That's just how your thoughts are too. So that you have a thought does not mean all your thoughts should be right, okay? Just like options, like many of them will be wrong. Many of them will be wrong. But that the wrong ones come to your mind does not mean you are that thought. No. Okay? And you need to act upon it first before it's yours. Okay, so understand that. So how to control the thoughts of your mind? Number one thing I put here for you is make sure you subscribe if you haven't. Okay, like, share this video, and we're going to give you more. And we hope to really create a meditation live stream video where you meditate with us live stream. Okay, so make sure you watch and watch all our videos. Like, subscribe, and share to friends and loved ones. Share on your status. People are going to be encouraged to watch a video like this. So number one thing you should do is you practice yoga. Okay, yoga is just like an exercise to some extent, but this is not just an exercise. It's an exercise targeting a certain result. Okay, and that certain result is to promote good health, to help you control your mind, to help you control your thoughts, to help you watch yourself. So that is what yoga is. So you have to practice yoga. How do you start practicing yoga? We might give you some free lessons here on our channel in the future, or you just check yoga for beginners. Just search yoga for beginners on YouTube and you will see videos. You can get started with that. Yoga helps you to control your mind, to control your thoughts, to strengthen your bones, everything. Okay, it's an exercise targeting a particular result. Okay, that is the next one we have is you practice self meditation. Okay, so the next step you do is you practice self meditation. So just stay with yourself most of the times, okay, and just close your eyes and just watch your thoughts. When your body is calm, when thoughts are not coming into your head anyhow, when there's calmness, then you visualize. If you can learn to do that thing every day of your life, that will help you a lot. It's gonna help you, right? It's gonna help you a lot. So how to control the thoughts of your mind? You must practice self meditation. Meditate with yourself. Just stay calm. The processes of meditation is just number one. You make sure you calm your thoughts. Watch your mind. Any thought coming to your mind, just become aware of it, and the thought is gonna go away. Then just stay like that for a very long time. Then after that, you start to create what you want in your life. That is the number two step. Sorry, number two practice that can help you control the thoughts of your mind. It's very, very important. So number three is practice quietness, self-awareness. Most of the times, just stay in a quiet place. Okay, there's a popular saying that silence is the dwelling place of God. Just stay silent, okay? Stay quiet, stay in a quiet place. Just be self-aware. Be self-aware of your heartbeat. Be aware of how your heart beats, the pace at which it beats. Is your heart troubled? Just watch it from how it beats. Let the frequency of your heart give you the information of what is going on in your heart. So just understand that. Just stay around yourself. If your heart beats very, very fast, a very, very fast rate, meaning at a very, very high frequency, you understand that probably it's trying to break down excess food, or sorry, that's your heart, sorry, not your liver. You understand that it's trying to probably make more blood get to your skin surface. Probably there's cold, or you are in fear, you are angry here and there. That is what will cause your heart to increase the pace at the rate at which it beats. Okay, so that is something you should understand. So learn to practice. Just become aware of your whole self, your whole being. Okay, practice quietness, self awareness. So the next practice, which is the last practice you should adopt right now to help you control your thoughts, the thoughts of your mind. Like, write this down and do what I'm saying. Okay, you're going to see changes. Okay, when you see changes, let us know in the comments. Okay, so now read good books to get good programs. Like every one of us, we are programs. You were programmed when you were growing up. For the first 7 years of life, no one had a belief system. Okay, the subconscious part of your brain was the only developed area. The conscious part of your brain was not yet fully developed at the first 7 years of life. So how did your body create a belief system for you? It just absorbed anything. What if you absorb the wrong things? It's going to affect you. Some people think that being busy is just money. It's a big lie. It's not being busy that gives you money. Understand that the richest of the richest can be free anytime they want to be free. This is programmed. Okay, so many people get the dumb programs. That is why they really end up not achieving their dreams in life. So you have to read good books like The Secrets of the Millionaire Mind, Rich Dad Poor Dad, to help you reprogram yourself. These things will help you reduce negative thoughts and increase positive thoughts in your life. This is all we have for this video. Stay connected, okay, for more. This is Gary Science. Make sure you adopt all these things that we have taught to you. Practice everything. Practice yoga, number one. Practice self-meditation. Practice quietness, self-awareness. And read good books to get good programs. You can say, okay, for instance, day one, I'm going to give 5 minutes to yoga, I'm going to give 10 minutes to self meditation, I'm going to give 15 minutes to self awareness, and I'm going to read for 20 minutes every day. If you guys do all these things, arrange your life this way, like I bet you will see a reduction in upsurge of thoughts in your head. Okay, a bunch of thoughts will come into your head when you are usually stressed. Okay, all these things help to reduce stress, so you will never have to worry about incessant thoughts in your head anymore if you adopt all these methods into your life. This is all we have. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. This is Gary Science from Nigeria. Take care.